welcome back. Like I said, there are different goals for your adverts. We have if you want people to join your group on Facebook, if you want to gain more followers, if you want to get more messages. But getting these more messages is one of the goals that I seldom use because this goal always comes with a lot of can I like it brings rowdiness, because if someone should mistakenly tap on your advert, the tapping would automatically send a message to your DM, and it's not as if this person is interested, or maybe the person was just trying to view the ad, and then it will just automatically send a message to you and say please, can I know more about this? Meanwhile, this person is not interested, so it ends up wasting your time and your resources. Do you understand? Then we have grow customer base. So if you have like a Google form or an email list that you want to collate customers and like maybe potential customers details, you can use the last one, the last goal rather. So for this particular advert, let's say I want to I want to gain more followers, like people to follow me, right? Sorry, I had to change the ad creative, that's the picture and this thing, because this is like the one, because I want to create an actual ad for you people to see how it's going to be, right? So let me say I want more followers. I'll click on it, and then this button is more like what you want. That's like your call to action. Remember yesterday when I said even with your caption and everything, you always need to have a call to action. So it's more like, what do you want people to do for you? Do you understand? What do you want people to do for you? Do you want them to follow you? Do you want them to actually call you? Do you want them to send you a message or whatsoever? So that is like the button, what the button means. So for this particular action, I've already taken get more followers. Do you understand? So it's already showing follow button, right? Automatically it's showing follow button. I'm going to show you the preview of the ad, like what I mean by the button. Then the next thing now is the targeting. For every advert, the targeting is very, very important. Do you understand? The targeting, like the success of your advert lies in your targeting. So if you're not able to target your audience well, then you would not get a good result from your advert, right? So now your audience consists of the age, the location, and their likes, what they like, right? So now the next thing now is to target the audience. Remember, your special ad category must always be off, right? Because Facebook, there are some adverts that Facebook does not they don't allow, like adverts for elections and politics and everything. So assuming your advert is about politics or what, so you have to on this button. But for the sake or the purpose of our class, it's merely for business. So you click on edit this advantage audience. But the first thing I would advise you do is that for your advert, always use create new. Do you understand? Create new instead of edit, because now you see that I have some saved audience here already. Like this Cross River is a saved audience that if I want to run an advert that will target Cross Riverians or people in Cross River, I don't need to start targeting again. I'll just click on that and it will automatically update based on what I want to advertise. Because I think this one was for a tradomedical medicine. That was the targeting. So now click on create new. When you click on create new, edit your audience name. So let's say you're advertising t-shirts. For this particular one, it's for followership, right? So I'll just call it followership, right? So that's the name I'm giving to this particular audience. Then the location, depending on what you want. That's why I said sponsored ads gives you the ability to do your targeting, right? It gives you the ability to choose what you want. So now I don't want the whole of Nigeria, right? Let's say I want Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. It will come up, you choose. Then maybe I want Lagos. Lagos will come up. So anywhere at all, you can just target. You can target anywhere at all. Do you understand? You can target anywhere at all when you have your location, depending on your target, right? Depending on your target. So I would delete this and target the whole of Nigeria. Okay, I will target Nigeria as a country, and I'll save it. That's my location. Then the next thing now is the characteristics. That's the interest. This is the most important part of what do they call it, of your target audience, right? Getting the interest of your target